Welcome to the Evan-Moor TeacherFileBox website tutorial using the Folders feature. We're at the website login page and I've already logged in and I've set my searching term to force and motion. I've set my grades 4 to 6 and I've conducted the search and there's over 5,000 units. I'm looking particularly at this time for lessons with vocabulary in it. This lesson had the green hyperlinked tag vocabulary. Let's start with this one. If I double click to open it and look at it more closely, I see that day 1, day 2, and day 4 all focus on vocabulary. Day 4 particularly on force. I like that, so I'm going to save this unit. If I go back and open my quick file box, I can click on the unit and drag it down. Now it's in my general file box, but I want to make it even easier to find later on, so I want to put it in a science folder. If I expand my file box, I get the list of folders I've set up. Here's the one on vocabulary. Right-click the science button, and this gives me a chance to create a folder, delete a folder, or rename a folder. I'm going to create a folder, and I'm going to call it simply vocab force. While I'm here, I think it would be good to set up another folder that I just call force. That way, I have a way of distinguishing which units I'm using for vocabulary and which units I'm using for the general concepts on force. Up here is another way that you can add a folder using the drop-down arrow. I'm going to click these two units that both cover vocabulary and I'm going to drag them to the vocabulary force folder. It's that easy. Another way you can do this is check the box and right-click, and you can copy or move a folder this way. If I go back to the original menu and click on the unit, notice the social media tabs. Also, here's my file path. I have it in Science Vocabulary Force. What if I wanted to also add this to my reading folder under Reading Info Text? This green checkbox indicates which folders I've already saved this activity. One last feature that I want to be sure to mention. On the quick file box view, there's a place to add a new folder here. So if you're sure you haven't made a folder for a certain topic, that's a great way to do it. Visit the Evan-Moor TeacherFileBox website to get more ideas and view other tutorials. Evan-Moor's TeacherFileBox, where filing can be both productive and enjoyable.